Hello, and welcome back to Spice World Kitchen. Today, we have a fantastic dinner recipe that's sure to become a family favorite. We'll be making 3 delicious ground beef recipes that are not only easy to prepare but also packed with flavor. So, let's get started. Our first recipe is beef stuffed bell peppers. These are not only visually appealing but also incredibly tasty. Let's see what you'll need. 4 large bell peppers, red, green, yellow, or orange. 1 pound ground beef. 1 cup cooked rice. 1 cup diced tomatoes. 1/2 cup diced onions. 1/2 cup shredded cheese. 2 cloves minced garlic. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 cup beef broth. Once you have all your ingredients ready, let's jump into the cooking process. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Cut the tops off the bell peppers, remove the seeds, and blanch them in boiling water for 3–4 minutes. In a skillet, heat olive oil and sauté the onions and garlic until fragrant. Add the ground beef, breaking it apart and cooking until browned. Stir in the diced tomatoes, cooked rice, chili powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Pour in the beef broth and cook for a few more minutes until the mixture thickens. Fill the bell peppers with the beef mixture, top with shredded cheese, and cover with the pepper lids. Bake in the preheated oven for about 25–30 minutes. Now, let's move on to our second recipe: homemade beef tacos. 1 pound ground beef. 1 packet taco seasoning. 1/2 cup diced onions. 1/2 cup diced tomatoes. 1/4 cup shredded lettuce. 1/4 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 1/4 cup sour cream. 8 small taco shells. Salsa and guacamole for serving. Let's start making these scrumptious tacos. In a skillet, cook the ground beef until brown, breaking it into small pieces. Stir in the diced onions and taco seasoning mix, following the package instructions. Warm your taco shells in the oven or microwave. Fill each taco shell with the beef mixture. Top with diced tomatoes, shredded lettuce, cheddar cheese, and a dollop of sour cream. Serve with salsa and guacamole on the side. For our final recipe, we have a beef and broccoli stir-fry that's quick, healthy, and incredibly tasty. 1 pound thinly sliced beef. 2 cups broccoli florets. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. 2 cloves minced garlic. 1 teaspoon ginger paste. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1/4 cup beef broth. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Cooked rice for serving. Let's dive into the world of stir-fry. In a small bowl, mix together soy sauce, oyster sauce, minced garlic, and ginger paste. In a separate bowl, whisk beef broth and cornstarch until well combined. In a wok or large skillet, heat vegetable oil over high heat. Stir-fry the beef until it's no longer pink, then remove it from the wok. Add the broccoli florets to the wok and stir-fry for a few minutes. Return the beef to the wok and pour in the soy sauce mixture. Pour in the beef broth and cornstarch mixture, stirring until the sauce thickens. Serve the beef and broccoli stir-fry over cooked rice. And there you have it. 3 mouthwatering ground beef recipes for dinner. Whether you choose the beef stuffed bell peppers, homemade beef tacos, or beef and broccoli stir-fry, you're in for a delicious meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing recipes like these. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Spice World Kitchen.